Hi Edwin, it's November 17. It's your birthday today. How old are you? 40? Life begins at 40. So parang bagong panganak ka ngayon happy birthday to the most guwapong pinsan ko next to my 7 brothers. So parang pangwalo ka pa lang pala sa pinakagwapo. Pero pinakagwapo sa mga pinsan. Still gwapo pa rin. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Blessed with your family. And enjoy your day together with your friends. And also I'm thanking Lisa for giving me the opportunity to greet you today and to be part of your birthday celebration. Miss na kita, yung medyo kakulitan mo, kakenggoyan mo. Kailan ba balik nyo dito? Also, malapit na ang Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and to your family as well. Again, hope you enjoy your day. Andito lang ako palagi, alam mo naman yan. And make sure na pag umuwi kayo rito, kita-kita tayo. Para lagi tayong may bandingan, kagaya dati. Ano pa bang pwede kong i-wish sa'yo? Wish you all the best and more blessing, more success, and stay happy with your family, of course. God bless you. I love you. Andito pala ako sa Baguio baka makalimutan ko sabihin. Sorry, medyo busy ako. Hindi na ako makapag-FB. But don't forget, lagi ko kayong naaalala. Kahit andyan kayo, malayo dito, pero lagi kayong nasa isip ko. Yung mga pinsan ko na mga love na love ko, of course. Happy birthday ulit. Greetings from Baguio.